Okay, this is a fresh install of ASC on my Windows 10 Home machine, and there is no functional webcam. And as you see, the program can't even start. I can't put in the key. I can't do anything with it. I can't change the input source, nothing. Okay, trying to run it in Windows 7 compatibility mode. Crash and burn. So it won't run in Windows 7 compatibility mode. So I'm going to try 640 by 40 and run as administrator. Even at 640 by 480 it crashes and burns. It crashes before you even have a chance to use it. Oh well, this is not going to work.